What is land pollution? Land pollution is the deposition of solid or liquid waste material on land or underground in a manner that can contaminate the soil and the groundwater.
The causes of land pollution can be litter. Littering, the improper disposal of waste products, is unfortunately very common. Mining, it has some methods that can cause damage and pollution like producing gasoline. Sewage treatment, the leftover solid waste will be sent to a landfill site which will pollute the environment. And agricultural activities. Farmers end up using toxic fertilizers to get rid of insects and bacteria, which could cause contamination and poisoned soil. Land pollution could result to the world having water that isn't safe to drink anymore, dry areas that will increase the wildfires, animals will begin to flee from their habitats just to survive, climate change, and land pollution. It could also give a huge impact on our health, and it will give us a bunch of other pollution such as water pollutions and something that will damage us.
How to prevent land pollution? Here are some ways on how to prevent it. First, using fewer pesticides and chemicals in agriculture. Second, reforestation. And the third, the reduce, reuse, recycle method.
What is water pollution? Water pollution is the release of substances into subsurface groundwater or into lakes, streams, rivers, estuaries, and oceans to the point where the substances interfere with beneficial use of the water or with the natural functioning of ecosystems.
What are the causes of water pollution? Water pollution is caused by many factors that are happening daily, just like the sewage system that circulates below us, the industrial waste in which all humans contribute, and sometimes accidental oil leakage in the oceans. These are some factors that causes water pollution that produces bacteria that will affect the quality of the water and polluting it. What are the results of water pollution? Water is essential to all living things, including humans and animals. Once polluted water is consumed, diseases may occur in one's body and harm their health.
How we can prevent water pollution? According to a site called raleighnc.com, that there are ways to prevent water pollution. The examples are pick up litter and throw it away in a garbage can. Blow or spit fertilizer back into the grass if it gets onto paved areas. Mulch or compost grass or yard waste. Wash your car or outdoor equipment where it can flow to a gravel or grassed area instead of a street. Don't pour your motor oil down the storm drain. These are some ways to prevent water pollution.
What is air pollution? Refers to the release of pollutants into the air that are detrimental to humans and the planet as a whole who are affected by it. What causes air pollution? Air pollution mostly comes from the release of gases from the burning fossil fuels in the air and chemicals that can develop it into air pollution. Climate change can also affect it by increasing the production of polluted air.
There are many results or effects of air pollution. The examples are global warming. Global warming is a direct consequence of the greenhouse effect, which is produced by the high emission of CO2 and methane into the atmosphere. Next is acid rain. Acid rain are the gases emitted by industries, power plants, boilers, etc. Those gases are issued into the atmosphere that come from fossil fuels burning. Last is respiratory health problems. It is probably one of the most obvious and worrying effects for human beings. Pollutants can cause respiratory illness and allergies ranging from coughs to asthma, cancer, or emphysema. Prevention of air pollution. To prevent this, we must lessen the use of these things that produces smokes and dangerous gases. These are very easy habits that people attain or practice, but very hard to apply. Just by simply using a bicycle on going to places, or not starting a fire to burn dead leaves on your backyard. Every human must practice these in order to lessen the pollution, because it is very deadly if it got worse and worse. Electric vehicles are the new innovation of the world in order to save the planet. They are very eco-friendly and fun to use at the same time.